Yo, May 28 ngayon. Probably. 28 ngayon. Tapos, palingkay ako. Sinasamahan ko si Alan. So, parang walang tulog, gago. I got it right. Let's eat. Damn. Playful disposable diapers. Where the fuck are you, Alan? Where the fuck are you? Shit. So it's been... Ay, dito si Alan. Wait lang. Gusto na yung health week namin. So, lang si Alan. He's gonna die. Lakas, oh. Damn.
Alak po.
Alak po. Dudaan mo. Basag mo naman yun. Kagaya yung nakaraan, ha?
Ano nabasag ko ba?
Ikaw?
Ay, nabasag ba ako?
Meron. Button camera, bitch. We're back. I mean, kanina pa kami bumalik, but nag-ML ako at nag-buzz kami. And I don't look good, man. Actually, low-key, I don't look good. My eyes is like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? May tulog ako, ah. I don't know why. What the fuck? You spin me. Oh, I got you.
The spiders, no! Oh, you gotta be kidding me, dude. I don't like this. Those freaking spiders, what do I do? Okay, so obviously
Eat.
Something down here. I'm standing here, hello? Am I like actually stupid? Do I have a key card? No?
Eat.
Alexa, turn on TV. Oh. There's a button right there. Okay. I didn't see the button light up. I'm actually so down. And boom. Turn on. Oh, now we can turn on. There we go. Scanning for announcements. Okay. After this, perfect. What do we got? Games, kindergarten.
I don't buy much, I buy land, bro.